things taken care of before I get this video started. Things out the way. I'm driving, of course. It's one of those things, just being creative and all those things that I do. Well, thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. Just roll my window up, get this AC hit. I live in San Diego. Temperatures, this is early in the morning, and we're already at 75 degrees. It's going to be a hot day. But also in the hot day, we can help people to do some things that will possibly enhance their life, improve their life. Okay? See them all right there. But one of the things I want to talk about is your credit. Your credit is important. Why? Well, if you're an adult, part of the society that we live in here in the United States, there are certain things that you need as an adult, a young adult, a teen who's coming into adulthood. You know, you're 18 or older. There's some things that you're going to be needing as you progress in life. One of those things are transportation. Whether you get a car, motorcycle, whatever the case may be, you're going to need a driver's license. And if you don't have a lot of money, you're going to need some sort of financing when you're buying that car. And when you get the financing or when you're trying to get financing for that car, they're going to pull your credit and see what your credit worthiness is. That's just showing the financing company that is possibly going to be giving you the finance for the car. Your credit shows your ability to pay, or your credit history. So your credit history shows you paying your credit in a timely manner or not. And based off of those factors and other things, you get what's called a credit score, or you might see things as a FICO score. FICO is FICO. It stands for Fair Isaac Company. So people may call your credit score a FICO score. It means the same thing. And now when you get a little bit older, you're branching out to move into your own apartment. The property manager or the landlord or the owner of the property is going to find out what your income is, right? Make sure you have the ability to pay the rent. But also they're going to run your credit score and find out what is your credit worthiness. Now, sometimes people use credit cards and they spend uncontrollably. They just see the products that they want. They start spending. 30 to 45 days later, they see there's a bill. Are you paying your bills on time? Are you paying your credit card bills on time? Or are you just maxing them out, going into another credit card? Maxing that out, going to another credit card. Now you have credit card debt. And that serves as a negative for your credit score, right? That's going to be a negative on your credit score. And what happens is your credit score, if you don't pay attention to it, if you never get a credit report, your credit score is going to be low. And in some instances, it's going to be very low. And certain things are not going to be available to you as far as getting financing for a car, getting that apartment, or as you get older, you're ready to buy a home, you won't be able to get the home loan, the home financing. So one of the things that I have in the description box is it's more of a financial toolkit. The financial toolkit has many things. It has credit repair, credit rebuilding, but also a budgeting tool where how much you're bringing in, what you're paying out, what type of bills you're paying, and the time you're paying these bills, getting you more responsible. But there's other tools in this toolkit. And if you're a person who's looking to improve their credit or want to start rebuilding their credit, this is definitely for you. So in the description box below, there's the link in there. Click on the link, get some additional information, and this could be for you. Now, if it's not for you, just pass it along to someone that could benefit from that. But one thing is, you must have some good credit to get certain things in life. Thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a description box, a comment in the description box. But also on the toolkit, you'll have my information as well. I am be transparent. This will be my information, my phone number, and I'm available to speak with you. All right. Thank you very much. You guys have a great day. Thank you for tuning into the channel. If you're not already a subscriber to our channel, please hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate that. Have a good day.